How to change location on YouTube. In this video, I'll show you guys how you can easily change your location on YouTube. So let's just get into it. First thing you have to do is simply open up your YouTube application. As you guys know, YouTube gives you recommendations based on your location. So if you want to change the location on YouTube to get a more curated recommendations for you, you can first go ahead and tap on the U section at the bottom right. Then find the gear icon at the top right corner. And then from here, you can just scroll down until you find the general settings, which is right on top. Then scroll down until you find notifications. And right under the voice search language, you'll find location settings. Just tap on location. And you can set this to any other location you want. So let's say if I want to change this to Lebanon, I'm just going to select this. And if I go back, it will refresh my home page and give me the content based on my location. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll see you on the next one.